Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhoming fun. We're currently on day 7, our adventures to North Wales and Anglesey, and today we're moving on to Blackthorn Farm, which is up towards Holyhead direction on the island, guys. So we'll be leaving here probably about 10:30. We're going to call in and get some provisions on the way from either Tesco's or Morrison's in Holyhead. So, and then we got a check-in time of 12 o'clock. So yeah, looking forward to this one. Hopefully some nice new adventures and walks for us and some drone flights, although there are a lot more restrictions on that coastline where we can't fly. So as you can see, weather looks good at the moment. You can probably see the clouds in the sky. It's currently 5:45 in the morning, so we're on our first early with sky, so all is good. So we'll see you on the road to Blackthorn Farm. Bye for now. Right, subscribers, we're just leaving Darfan campsite on Anglesey now, and we're heading to a new location. We're heading to a new location, Blackthorn Farm, up near Holyhead. So we're going to just call and get some provisions first at Tesco's or Morrison's in Holyhead. But first we need to get back our £20 deposit for the barrier code. As I say, it's been an enjoyable stay, guys.
Prepared to turn right after 1.2 miles.
Sorry about the sat nav, and I hope you've enjoyed all the YouTube videos from here and the fantastic drone flights, and we'll see you on the road into Blackthorn Farm. Bye for now. Right, welcome back everybody. We've arrived at our new location, Blackthorn Farm, up near Holyhead. Unfortunately, I didn't switch the camera on the drive in, so main reason was it was a single track road and I was concentrating. So yeah, well, we're here now, arrival time 12 o'clock. So we're going to take you around in a minute to have a look, and then we'll have a little bit of lunch afterwards. So there you go, we're on pitch number 27. It's a service pitch without the wastewater, just basically a water supply and only 10 amp electric. So we've had to put on some small levelers. Got a standard waste master, and we've just connected the TV aerial up. Not a brilliant signal, but we found one. So we'll pop inside, just show you sky. We're here for 3 nights again, 2 full days. So there's Sky. She's looking forward to the walks around here. Unfortunately, drone flying is banned, and a lot of the coastline is as well, through it's triple SI rated. So unfortunately we probably won't get many drone flights, if any. So yeah, so we're a little bit untidy. We called and got some shopping in Morrison's on the way. Went to go to Tesco's, but it was a multi-storey, it was, so we drove by. As I say, TV is connected, and yeah, we'll get out and show you around. Let Sky go for a little wee. See you soon. Right, welcome back. Well, this is the entrance to Blackthorn Farm. We come down that road, guys, up there, and it was a single track road, which was a little bit hairy and dicey for about 1.5 miles and that, but that's why I forgot to switch the camera on. But I've just been talking to a gentleman who's staying there, and he said basically most of the little side roads are single track, so it's just take your chance with any of them. So anyway, we'll have a little wander through. So another big sign there, Blackthorn Farm. So as I say, we're here for 2 full days after today, 3 nights. Not too sure how we're going to get on with things to do. As I say, we normally don't go out in the motorhome when we're on the site. Try and choose sites where there's plenty to do or nice walks. You've got a ball field down there if you've got kids to play with. I see there's a goal post and that. And as I say, we're just coming down the driveway. You've got the main house come farm where the owners live. As I say, we need to have a quick look at Google Maps and things to check out routes and possible destinations where we can walk to. It's a lovely bright sunny day today, but I'm not too sure if the next couple of days are much better. You got the reception in front there, guys. That was closed when I tried to call in, but we have got the barrier code which they give us on the email. And I'm guessing this is the basic facilities down here. You got a dish washing area in front. Let's just have a look here. These are recycle bins, and it looks like that's where you empty your toilet waste. So we've got a dishwashing area here, guys. Small dishwash area. Looks like there's a standing outside shower. Not too sure what that is all about. Hello there. Right, we've got a laundry in front. So you've got a couple of freezers there, I guess, if you need to store your food. And you've got a wash machine and a tumble dryer, £6 and £3. We'll come back to the toilets. There's a lady cleaning at the moment. Right, we'll have a quick look in the gents once a lady has finished cleaning. As you can see, there is a farm house there. There's some outside tables to sit at if you want to bring your lunch and sit outside. So we're just going to walk around the pitches now. You got pitch number 1 there, guys, pitch number 2, gravel, and then we're on some grass pitches. By the looks of some of these are annuals, got grass growing up around them. Some of them are a little bit out of level as well, so do bring some chocks, some levelers with you. As I say, these ones up here look like seasonal pitches. And another one down there. That must took quite some effort to get down without catching on the bottom. So we just have a little look over the bay See if we can see any tracks or anything we can walk on. I understand there's a nice beach somewhere, guys, but possibly dog restrictions. So, right, let's head back up here. As I say, sometimes we make bad choices with campsites and all that. As I say, normally they work out quite well. Not had too many failures. So we've got some more pitches there. Pitch number 17 to 19. Hard standing as well. I won't show you any further. There's people talking. Right, so let's have a little wander back onto the top side where we are. We'll see if we can get back into the gents' toilets and shower room in a minute, guys. I'm sure the lady will be finished cleaning soon. Do make sure you bring all your provisions with you. As I say, like we just called in Morrison's. Doesn't look like there's any local shops unless you want to drive out to one. Right. As you can see, we're on number 27, up to at the top end. Haven't tried the Wi-Fi yet, so it'll be interesting to see how that fares compared to Smarty. Not even put the strength on Smarty yet on the speed test. So we'll just have a little wander up here, see what we can see. So it's more of a rugged coastline, this. Got some more pitches down the bottom as well. I'll go and check those out in a minute. Right. Right, this is bottom end. Looks like some of these are touring pitches again, and some are seasonal. So it's lovely and quiet. This guy's on rabbit watch, I think. As you can see, the seasonal pitch. Just seeing if there's any gateways out into the local fields. It doesn't look like it. Right, so we'll have a wander back now, see if we can get into the gents or not. Right, we're going to pop back into the toilets now. Right, you got the urinals there. You got a shower in there, guys. Toilet. Toilet. Another shower. And yet another one. And you also got a couple of hand basins, hairdryer, and a hand wash. So basic facilities, but I guess that's all you need. Still using my own. Right, I think that concludes our little walk around. The only thing I couldn't find is where you put the grey waste, but sometimes a lot of these places just let you put it into the hedgerow. Have a look, see what some of the others are doing later. Thank you everybody, hope you enjoyed that little site walkabout. We'll do a more of a site review at the end of this little 3-day break and tell you what we think of the site and the surrounding areas, etc. It is a little expensive, £50 a night. I guess that's what it is for some of these private sites nowadays, guys, but if we manage to do enough in the next few days, it might be worth it. So hopefully we can get onto some nice country paths and walks, and there is the route to South Stack, I understand, but not too sure how far it is, maybe 2-3 mile on the country paths, etc. We don't fancy walking the roads and that, or moving the motorhome, so we'll see you all tomorrow, guys, or at some point in this little stay, and hopefully we'll bring more vlogs to you soon. So bye for now.